Yo, what's up guys? I'm back and we're taking it back with the video style. We're gonna go ahead and do another driveway install. So if you watch the old videos, this is how it all started. So we got these puppies. These are the rear upper control arms and they are adjustable. So our current ones, this is the passenger side. I already did it. This one wasn't too bad, but this ball joint had a lot of play in it. This one's not too bad. It's a little bad. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the wheel, right? And next thing we're gonna do is take out this axle nut. The reason I said if you have the true coilover setup is that you can get to all the axle bolts without having to move the wheel or the diff. You don't have to be spinning it, you can get all around them. But yeah, so I already got that off. We're gonna go ahead and take this off, remove the axle. We got the bolt right under here, and the pain in the ass is the cotter pin. Then we got that bolt right there, and we have that bolt right there. They weren't too bad yesterday. I was able to get them with the impact and swivel and stuff, so hopefully I can do the same on this side. That was actually coming out easier than the other side. The other side I had to bang it out. This does better for the video. Okay, so those two came out pretty easy. You can see the nut is off that one. That one's a little bit tight in there, so I'm gonna wait until I take this one off. But I wanted to show you guys. If you look in there, does this one not have a cotter pin? Because that would be it. Oh yeah, I think I've swapped this one before and I didn't put a cotter pin back in, so this might be even easier than I thought. Now that last bolt needs a little persuasion. I got that top one out, but this one on the back side. There we go. Got that off. And you can tell I had swapped this one. It's a different size nut than OEM. That you guys can see it was fucked. The play is not too bad, but it, like, since the boot was fucked up, actually I think I see the problem. It didn't have that cone. They're supposed to have a cone that sits them in there. I'll show you guys on the other one. If you look here, it has that cone right there, and that is what makes it sit and not have play in there. But that one I swapped in, either I didn't notice and it fell out, or it didn't come with one, so I didn't put it. I know last time I did it I was in a rush as well, so I don't even know. We're gonna go ahead and get this one in. And last night the other side was a little bit of an issue. I had to like bang them in basically into place, but we're gonna see how it goes. is the setup you guys need. Just any 14, to be honest, wrench, 14 long socket with a little impact. Alright, so I got these wheels a little bit ago, and I wanted to run them up front, but they're really heavy, and I don't want to break stuff up front, so I'm going to run them in the back. But, white. Yeah, the fitment's actually kind of fire, not going to lie. I already have them on the other side. I don't know if you guys saw already. But, yeah. Fitment is pretty on point. Alright, so this side doesn't look as good. I mean, the fitment is still there. You can see it. Right? Maybe a little lower. But on this side's actually kind of fire. So yeah, I still got a little bit of camber in, which we'll take that out. That is perfect too. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. The car is now at Firestone. It's waiting for an alignment. Gotta make sure that everything's tight back there and that it didn't mess up too much. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.